I'm introducing to you my new series, What Is? And in this series, I will be explaining topics out of the world of IT and tech. Now, the episodes will be short, to the point, with simple to follow explanations. These videos will be great for people who are starting or who want to work in IT, for those who interact with people in tech, or maybe your partner works in IT and you want to understand more about their world. Now, the explanations will be simple, so there will be no fancy stuff. Now, if there's a topic you want me to explain, like this video, drop a comment below with the topic, and I see you in the first episode. I am Garrett, and this is TheFatRat.